Apple crisp. Welcome back to episode 5,100 bazillion trillion of me making the absolute love of my life, whatever she wants, while I am in Poland. Now, baby loves apple pie, but no, we're making apple crisp. As I've told you guys before, lemon juice is really, really good in fruit desserts. I used cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves, brown sugar. If I had some ground ginger, I would have thrown that in there. That's the vanilla that I brought from the States. And then after the apples have cooked down a little bit, I like to use white sugar. Now, the types of apples that I use, girl, I don't know. I just grabbed them. Here's how you make the crisp. Equal parts oatmeal, flour, brown sugar, and some butter. Yes, she got me a pink spatula to use while I'm out there. So you want it to look like wet sand, or if you use a little less butter, it'll come out looking like a crumbly mess. You're going to top the semi-cooked apples with it, add some sea salt, put it in the oven on 350 until you start to smell it. I don't have a time. The top should be really crispy and crunchy like that. This is me being a fatty baddie and eating before I serve your majesty. I don't know why she wants cookie dough ice cream with it.